What is up, guys? One thing we haven't done much on the channel is motorcycles. I'm really into it, have a Harley, come from a big Harley family. Dad has actually been working on a 78 Shovelhead. Been doing a restoration on it for the last couple months. We finally got a nice day. He's just finishing it up. I think he was putting a neutral safety switch in it. So we're gonna go for a ride with him, see how the thing goes. Now, this thing was in pretty rough shape to start with.
What's that?
Tubes are all polished out, new nose cone, new headlight ring, new front and rear on the fender. Polished out the tank. It's got a new dash, it's got new mirrors, it's got new covers for the switches. It's got a new top for the battery, new kicker spring, pedal, new backing plate and cover here with the new chrome arm, the smaller brake pedal. Changed out the passenger pegs, painted the frame, cleaned up the shocks. It's got new struts with all new bolts. Shorter light bar. Brand new tail light, new ring, new license plate bracket, new rear fender emblem. It's got new chain cover, once again new strut, Your passenger peg. It's got a new oil plug, coil cover. This was all cleaned up. Got new cover for the solenoid. New shifter cover. New gas caps. New clutch and brake lever. Removed the light bar and the blinkers from up here. Moved those to the bullet style. And then redid all the oil lines. They were a pretty big mess, and they had an oil cooler mounted up here on the crash bar. So overall, it's pretty good. That old Shovelhead's looking pretty good. I've got some errands I gotta run, so we're gonna get my bike out, hop on it, go for a ride. Be the first time I've had it out since last year, so it's been sitting at least 6 months, so hopefully it'll start up, and see you guys out there. This one's actually my bike, 2005 Heritage Softail. See if we can get this thing to start up.